Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn NumPy. First of all, we have to know what is NumPy. So NumPy is a Python library used for working with arrays. It also has functions for working in domain of linear algebra, Fourier transform and matrices. So get started with NumPy in Python. Page of NumPy where we will do our coding. We are doing this in Jupyter. Okay, so let's begin with our first function of NumPy. So how we will do NumPy? Before coding the NumPy, we have to first import NumPy. This is the rules. We have to type import NumPy. Then after that, then only we can code of about NumPy. So the example of importing NumPy is arr equals to NumPy dot array bracket bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and then close the bracket. After that print that AR and then run. So we'll get that error in a sequentially 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the basics of NumPy. So keep in mind before doing coding we have to first import the NumPy. So second function of NumPy we'll see is import NumPy as function np. Import NumPy as np. Print np dot version and run. So we'll get this.
Hello everyone, this is Shan Javed. So today I will be continuing the NumPy codes. So if we want to create a list, we can write the code my hyphen list equal to in the brackets we can take any random number like 7 comma 8 comma 9. Then we will write again my hyphen list. Then we will run this code. Then we will get the number 7 8 9 in bracket output. So another function we will do if we want the numbers between 0 to 10, so we will write the code for this function np dot arrange bracket we will write 0 comma 10. Then we will run this code. So we get the values uh, from 0 to 9, which is under the 0 and 10. So if we change this number from 20, then we will get the value from 0 to 9. So we will do another code which is np dot range. So we will run this function. As you can see, this function we can get the difference of 3, like from 0 to 3, 3 to 6, 6 to 9, and 9 to 12. We get a difference of 3 numbers. So now we will write another code. So this code np equal to np dot write 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, 7. In under bracket, we will write minus 3 is to 1. Then we will get 5 and 6. So we have take the ratio of minus 3 and minus 1. So we get the value between minus 3 and minus 1, which is 5 and 6. So we will do another function of a two-dimension array. So to create two-dimension array, we will use a double bracket. So I will show you how I will do array. So we will use double bracket 1, 2, 4, 5. And we will write the print number comma a double r. So we get the value 1 2 3 4 5 of two-dimension array. We will get the two-dimension array like this, which is two bracket. We can also construct a matrix. So I will write the another function of matrix. Matrix equal to then we will take 1 comma 2 comma 3. We will take another bracket 4 5 6. We will write like this, comma 7 8. Then we will print this. So we get the matrix by writing this function like this. Also, and so the next function we will do, which is related to integer array indexing. So we will write the code x is equal to npm dot range comma n comma. We will take minus 1 also. Then we will write x. Then we will run this code. So as you can see the output, we get the numbers from 10 to 2. But you can see the minus 1 we put in the value we didn't get, because in index in integer array indexing we do not get negative numbers. So we will try another function similar to this, array equal to a range. We will take some another numbers like x. So it is confirmed that we will not get any negative number in integer array indexing. So to reshape, we will write another function which is y equal to np dot range under bracket. We will take any number like 35 dot reshape bracket will write 5 comma 7 and run this code. As you can see that we get the value from 0 to 34 like we have mentioned in the bracket 35.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to know pandas in Python. So before do this is the structure of Python where we will do the coding of pandas. So before doing the coding of pandas, we have to import panda as PD. So type import pandas PD. After that only we can run the pandas code. So to have a data to analyze a data, we have to enter a data. So we have taken a data from GitHub website. How to read that data? To read the file, we'll just simply paste iris is equal to pd dot read underscore csv and bracket and just paste that URL and run it. Okay, and to get the data in this stuff in this platform, we'll just simply type iris and run. You'll get all the data in that file, like sepal length, sepal weight, it was there in that. Okay. After that, to know other functions, to do other functions in Python, with this data only, we have to just simply type def is equal to iris dot copy and give a bracket. For this only, we can know more about this data. Okay. So next is we can also keep count inside the head count. We can also keep count inside the head count. Okay, so the code is df dot head and close it and run. You'll get this head inside the. Okay, this was easy, simple. Next, we can see the columns. We can know the column names. Okay, how to get the column name? To get the columns name, just simple df is dot columns this and run. We'll get the column name. See, sepal length, sepal width, and all these are column names. After getting the column names, we can also find how many numbers and how many rows are there. Okay, to get the number of rows, we can just simple write this print df dot save and run this. We'll get this 150 rows and 5 columns. This is the data we are getting by entering this code. After that, we can also get what are the types of the data we are getting. Okay, so to know that, we have to enter print df dot d types, means data types, and close the bracket and run it. Here, we are getting sepal length, float 64, sepal width, float 64, petal length. All these are the types we are getting. Okay, and to describe that data, how to describe this data? Okay, to describe data, we can enter a code that df dot describe and close the bracket and run it. Run. See, we can get all the details and with the description like sepal length count was 150, sepal width count 150, sepal length mean is 5.8, sepal width is this. So we can get all these details, with the properly. Okay, this was the function. Now, if we want to access a particular column, okay, if we want to access a particular column, how we will do that? To access particular column. Okay. To get this, we'll simply do this df dot sepal, like we want the sepal length column. Sepal underscore underscore length, LEGT. Okay, and run this. Df dot sepal len. Oh, sorry, there was a spelling error. So now run this. So see, we are getting a data column, particular column of sepal length 150, data type like this. Data type is float 64, length is 150, like this. So we can get like this sepal width also, and etc. Anything we want. Now to find out any null values in the data, how to find out the null values? To find out null, how we will get? Just simply write df dot is null and close the bracket. Okay, and run it. See here, we are getting this false, 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 all are false. All these are nulls value. Okay, okay. This was the null value. How to get? Now we'll get how many null entries we have in each column. In each column, how many null entries we have. Okay. So the code is simple. Df dot is null, close the bracket, dot sum, and then again bracket and run it. See, sepal length 0, no null values are there. It was simple. If you want to access data, you have to use iloc. Means if you want to access any data, then we have to use iloc. So just simple df dot iloc and give a bracket 1 is to 2, 1 is to 4 is to 2 is to 3. That is a comma. Sorry. Then we'll get a particular data with a particular column number. See, data length we are getting 1 is to 4 and 2 is to 3. So this was the pandas, some features we can see and more. Hope you guys have understand and I have done a good. Thank you very much.